The Yogen we are positioning as an emergency charger, as a convenience device, and also as a lifestyle device that can be used for hiking and camping.
This is an LG adapter, so you plug it in just like you do your adapter. And with this, you know what the nice thing is, we are delivering a stable source of power. Worst thing you can do to a lithium battery is make it go up and down and spike it. The battery life's going to go down, or if you overcharge it, neither one of which will happen here. And you see, it starts charging immediately. So the first pull, the 10th pull, fast, slow, it doesn't make any difference because we're controlling the delivery of the power out of there. Go ahead and pull on that because I'm going to show you something. Okay, so you can feel that.
Yep.
Okay, now do you feel anything different now?
Yes,
Keep pulling, yes.
it's
Yeah, because I took the load off.
Yeah.
All right?
So it's fulfilled.
And it has a load sensor in there. That's part of why we can't overcharge your phone. It has no battery, and it's not solar, but we're putting more energy out than your wall charger. And we're doing it with that power right there. There's a guy named Nick Atlas, just did a review on intravelmag.com. It's a Condé Nast online product. And he certainly took one, did all the things we just did, you know, the power output and the whole bit, very positive view. He does a lot of extreme travel, so he does some extreme testing. And this just came out this week. And in his article, he says, and I talked to him afterwards, and he said he threw it out of a second-story window onto concrete. When I talked to him, I said, well, does that mean you dropped it out onto the sidewalk? He goes, no, I hurled it. Then he said, and it got some scratches. And it still worked. Then he took it, he put it in a freezer for an hour, and it still worked. Then he put it in a 110-degree oven for an hour, and it still worked. This has been designed to be very, very tough. As Alex was saying, these are commercial-grade products. We've had interest from military and things like that.
So what part did you play in that?
I was the one who suggests to implement the technology, you know, from just, you know, small, very thin, small generator into a cell phone charger device.
So you saw the need, you saw the space where it could be fitted.
Exactly.
Okay, so this is a laptop charger, right?
Yes, you're
and then
right.
it's done by foot pedal, right?
Yes, you're right. You're right.
Okay, and then it produces how much power?
It can produce up to 40 or even 50 watt power, which is sufficient for any type of laptops.
Any type?
Any type
so
of
it
laptop.
doesn't matter, and then you just put this on the floor, and then you have a long enough cable, and then you just start pumping away with your foot.
Yes, you are right, but it should be understood that it's a little bit hard work, but nothing to do because 50 power is 50 watt is 50 watt.
Okay.
But it can be operated by any person for a time when he wants to operate his computer.
This is mainly for short duration emergency type power up?
Yes.
Right. Okay.
Yes, right.
Great. Hey, thank you very much.
One of my thoughts, I think that now I found that there are some electronic devices which lie between PDA, portable devices, and between laptops. Some micro laptops which requires not 5 powers, not 50, maybe 15 power. So I think maybe we could suggest some or Yogen Max Lite or hard Yogen, I don't know how to call it now, in order to cover all the range of power which can be delivered to electronic devices. Or maybe we can add additional function to PDA, maybe a torch, maybe even GPS to this.